Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist. I'm back in my kitchen today and I'm going to show you how I fix a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. I've already washed the chicken and patted it dry. Now I'm going to moisturize it with olive oil. I've loosened up the skin a little bit, so I'm gonna get some of that olive oil under the skin. Okay, I'm going to put seasonings on the back side of the chicken. I'm gonna put some pepper, pink Himalayan salt, a little Italian seasoning, some paprika, a little herbs de Provence, garlic powder, a little poultry seasoning. Now we're gonna flip this baby over and season the breast side. And throw some inside the cavity as well. Add a little bit more paprika on there. And I've got a little grapeseed oil in here. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. We wanna sear the outside of the chicken. Now we're gonna try turning this chicken over and searing the breast side. You see how good that is looking? All right, so we have seared the other side or browned it for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna take it out and get it ready to go back in on the trivet. I'm gonna put the trivet in, and I'm gonna put in some organic low sodium chicken broth. Before I put the chicken inside the Instant Pot again, I'm going to stuff the cavity with pieces of celery, a third of a stick of butter, and now we're gonna put the chicken back in, breast side up. That baby's a bit hot, be careful. And I'm gonna put a few pats of butter on top of the chicken and turn this on manual. And we're gonna bring it up to 35 minutes. Gonna put the lid on. Make sure the ceiling vent is on sealed. And I'm gonna let it come up to pressure and cook for 35 minutes, release by itself, and then it'll be ready to eat. The little silver button has dropped down, so let's check our chicken. Looking good. I'm just gonna throw the celery away. I put it in the chicken strictly for flavor. Thanks so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.